LB Foster's anti-trespass panels deter and protect the safety of pedestrian trespass at rail crossings, platforms, and yard entrances. The panels are designed and engineered by UK-based Rosehill Rail and have been developed for over a decade from feedback by rail operators worldwide. Developed to minimize installation time, the anti-trespass panel system provides a better solution to meet the requirements of today's railway administrations. The panels are available in 3 styles, providing greater flexibility to site-specific requirements. Made from 100% recycled rubber, these panels are truly environmentally friendly. All panels are delivered complete with plastic planks and fixing screws to enable immediate installation. LB Foster's anti-trespass panels are an essential safety solution for rail crossings, platforms and rail yard entrances.